Hey y'all, welcome back to Live Oak Homestead on this hot day. So today we're headed out. We're gonna go do chores. I've been inside most of the day today. The big kids are back in school, which makes my life so much easier as a mom to get my chores done inside. So me and Mary Morgan finished our chores this morning inside, and now we're gonna head out and we're going to feed everybody. So, yeah. Are you bring y'all along with us? Oh, and I wanted to show off my $7 solar dryer. So y'all stay tuned to see that. Come with us. So first things first today, we put Hank and Drover on the leash. Gave them some water. They're out here in the shade. It's not gonna get hot. They're in, and we'll get them some food, but they're out. The kids have made swings. Anyway, they're out in the shade. Now we are gonna go let the chickens out. I've been a little upset at the chickens because I have one chicken that the roosters had pecked her head. And so we got rid of those roosters, and then she healed. We completely healed. We put her back in there with the chickens, and they did it again terribly, like destroyed her head. So she's back in the chicken hospital. We're gonna go and check on our sick chicken. Oh, they're ready. They're ready. Oh, she's ready. Chick, 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 flapping at, sir. Ooh, run him off. So that's what they left her with the other night. Yep. So I don't know why chickens do that. Anyway, let me get her water, she can feed, and go feed the pigs. $7 solar dryer. So Jake made this for me. I'm so glad he did. And it helped save us the heat, you know, from the house being so hot from the dryer. So come out here and hang them up. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all. Turn it off. Hide it, girl. Go eat your food. And just like that, we broke the clothesline. I drove the side-by-side under it, like I always do, and the top of it caught it. Yeesh. Well, I don't know what to do. Sorry, Jake. Okay, y'all, so I was able to get all the clothes that was on this line. I wrapped that rope around that pole and was able to just hang everything up. And I mean, it's only been out here for probably, I don't know. It's only been out here for maybe 15 minutes, and it's about dry. It's so hot. I know it's hot probably everywhere, especially in the south right now, but goodness gracious, it is. It's hot, y'all. Here we go. Baby daddy already knows. That's usually what happens. Those four kind of stay. Mama comes with me. Come on, baby. And one of them, if they don't feel like they're getting adequate scraps. So, you'll get to watch me fight these pigs as I feed them. I'm not saying that I don't like to do this, because if I didn't, of course we wouldn't be doing it, right? Right, makes sense. But some days it gets really difficult. Some days you just don't feel like coming out here and getting pushed by pigs, or possibly your toe stepped on. Let me tell you something. Mama Mercy steps on your toe. And she's about to step on mine now. She is fighting me. She is pushing me. That big old thing steps on your toe. You are in some kind of bind. Yep, here they come. Get them, Mercy. So we feed them separately. And Jake and I are about to get our pen separated. Big time. The feeder pigs need to be by themselves, mainly because they just don't want to eat their feed. They're, you know, it's kind of like we need to make them eat their feed if that's all they get. Because what happens is they go off looking for scraps. The little pigs go running, looking for scraps. Like there goes that one right there. Going down, jumping. I don't know if I got that on video, but jumping in the trough. And those are the pigs that we gotta get fat. While the little pigs are going off to each trough looking for scraps, the big pigs are eating their feed like they're supposed to. So that means the little pigs who have just as much opportunity or more to have feed, they wind up not eating. And it's, anyway, so we're gonna put the little pigs by themselves. Mercy's gonna be, you know, she'll be separated into here, which is where we will deliver the piglets. And baby daddy will be by himself. So it'll be a lot better whenever we get everybody switched and by themselves. And I gotta run this other bucket. Into here. Try to do that with the camera. And while Mercy is rooting, she is after me with this bucket. I bet you baby daddy comes. I don't mind Mercy so much. He kind of scares me sometimes because he's so big and the piglets get on my nerves. No, I'm headed back home. I'm just gonna pull up to park the side by side, and in my mind I'm saying, turn the water off, turn the water off, turn the water off, turn the water off. Because that is my main struggle, is turning this water off. I did see on somebody's video, and I wish I could remember their name. I think it's like Fog Hill or something. They, I didn't even turn the side by side off. But the guy had like a ponytail, and when he turned the water on, he put the ponytail on his wrist, and so then he knew that the water was off and when to turn it back on. So that's probably a good idea that we should start doing. Which is another reason why, like, I love people doing videos. I love this stuff because you get to see how other people do it and learn from them and learn from their mistakes. And it's hot, but it smells so good in here and it's clean. Yeah. It does smell good, don't it? Mary Morgan's gonna eat her macaroni and cheese. I'm about to fix myself some, look at my fall decor, y'all. I got my fall decor out already. And I'm burning pumpkin spice. I don't care. I love fall. I love it. Hey everybody, I'm sitting down and I just finished editing. My camera died. So Mary Morgan ate her macaroni and cheese. I fixed myself some salmon and okra. It was very good. That's what I had for lunch. But I was saying, I already decorated for fall and I don't care. I'm so ready for it to come. I think it's more like wishful thinking, you know, wishing that it would hurry up and go. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a good day.